go ahead and cut to the chase, if you know what I mean. Let's get in here, see what this one is all about. We got a silica gel, we got the zipper pouch as usual, and let's see. Let's find out what this one here is all about. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh man, got a wiping cloth, and we have a, is this a pyrite? Oh man, this is gonna be a good one, guys. It's gonna be a pyrite, more like a Bowie Pyrite, so I'm already digging that. But here's what's interesting, right? I'm kind of obviously noticing the girth on it. It's a little bit on the narrower side, and it has a whole backspacer. But wait a second, that's not a backspacer. That's called a backspring, and yeah, this one is a slip joint. So this is very interesting. I want to say maybe brass bolsters on this one. Same thing going on the back here. We do have inlays on this bad boy, so that's looking very interesting, black and gold. And of course, the folder on the blade, which is very similar to the folder version of the Bowie. Of course, they did it right here with a deep pocket carry clip, which is really works really good from CJRB. They do amazing deep pocket carry clips. It is reversible, of course, for lefties out there. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and get this guy deployed here. Bam. Boom. Okay. Take a listen. Okay. All right, so far a very shouty, very nice walk and talk there, to say the least. We have a, not a full 90, maybe like an 85% or so half stop. Obviously, here's your full stop. And I feel like the dimensions are pretty much the same dimensions as the regular folding. I think is what a button lock on the actual Bowie Pyrite. Yeah, Orgos you already know, right? The same recipe here. Orgos are going to be really nice. You can forward choke on this bad boy all day. Obviously, this particular one is going to be a non-locking knife, so be careful with how much pressure you put on the blade here. But it has some good resistance. I'll give you that. You actually need to give it quite a bit. Like, look how far we need to go to even come close to doing the half stop. And the half stop is a safety feature, so it doesn't just shut close in one whole motion. So, bam, boom. That is beautiful. All right, check out the alignment here, smack in the middle. And yeah, we have absolutely a lot of great pull here. A lot of the blade is exposed. The fuller helps a ton. So picking this guy, I want to say the pull is like, I want to say 5 out of 10, right? Not too strong, not too weak, just about somewhere in the middle there. So about a 5 out of 10. Bam. And I do like the sound it makes on the half stop. That feels good. Bam. Nice little snappy, full open. Oh man, this thing feels really good, ladies and gentlemen, right? All kinds of grips are going to work really good with this guy, no doubt about it. Bam, boom. Absolutely getting the sauce here. AR RPM 9 steel, which is CJRB's proprietary budget steel. It's finished on a stone wash finish with a stone wash, looking beautiful there. So yeah, this one's absolutely a banger through and through, right? And you know, it's awesome to see they take a winning formula like the Pyrite. And the Pyrite has so many different flavors. You got the lightweight, you have the alt Pyrite or Pyrite alt, you have the regular drop point Pyrite. I mean, all started back with the button lock Pyrite, and that already became such a very fidget friendly knife. Everybody loved it, right? It was one of the most popular knives at the time when I started making content at the beginning of 2023. So it's been an icon and a huge hit. Absolutely recommendable in every possible way by every knife YouTuber out there. By the way, we do have some milling on the inside, right, of these. I want to say brass, right? Future me double check. Is this brass? If it is, you know, it doesn't feel the heaviest brass out there, but right, definitely feels nice here with the gold color. Absolutely milled for weight reduction. There's a good look at the back spacer there as well. And the inlays are nice and very tastefully done. Got this little speck of something. There we go. Scratch that off. Yeah, very nice and aligned, right? Nothing out of place. Everything, the fit and finish, really good top-notch quality as you would expect. And the beautiful thing about this one is this thing is mad affordable, right? This is a slip joint done right for EDC use that you can actually buy, that you can actually afford. You know, not to say that you can't afford the expensive stuff. I guess, you know, if you can, then yeah, more power to you. Knock yourself out. But I'm saying most people will be able to afford something like this, right? It's not going to break the bank. If you're in a budget, right, this is absolutely going to be a great way to pick up a good old traditional slip joint knife. So no doubt about that. I can even one hand close it. I won't even risk doing it a one hand open. But yeah, very nice and easy to one hand half stop and one hand fully close, right? So that feels nice. And I got some paper and some cardboard here, right? Starting with the Pyrite slip joint here. Again, AR RPM 9 steel, right? Textbook piece of paper. Oh yeah, absolutely going to slice there pretty well. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. You also have a decently large cutting path, so that's always nice. And as far as cardboard goes, we have a thicker dual wall piece of cardboard. I'll be cutting diagonally here for better performance. So it's gonna look something like this. There we go. Bam. You're absolutely slicing and dicing there pretty well. Taper off a bit, right? Obviously remember, this is not a warning or a sheep's foot. It's still got some belly, so it tapers up a bit. And keep in mind, again, this type of cardboard is going to be way more challenging for any knife than it is, you know, your average single wall piece of cardboard. So there we go. Right now we're getting a little bit of accordion here and there. Yeah, went through that cardboard there pretty quick. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Either this one or this one. Peace.